the struggle right here. You're gonna start really shaking, and that's when you really need to push yourself and challenge yourself. Hey guys, Gary Walker here with LiveAnabolic.com, and welcome back for another video. In this video, I'm gonna take you through the best home chest workout for beginners. Here's the thing, no equipment is involved. I'm gonna show you an awesome chest workout that you can do with nothing but your body weight. That being said, let's get started. All right, man, before we get into the actual chest workout, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure you click on that little bell icon. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. All right, here's the thing. I'm gonna give you 3 different exercises, okay? One, I'm gonna show you a standard feet elevated incline push-up. We're gonna start with that, and then I'm gonna show you a drop set version of a standard push-up. So we're gonna go into a drop set version, and then we're gonna finish off with a standard push-up, but we're gonna finish off with an isometric hold for max time. So here's the goal with each of these. The first 2 we're gonna go into, you're gonna wanna shoot for 10 to 15 reps, and you wanna do 3 sets. 3 sets, and then the next exercise we're gonna do, we're gonna shoot for 10 to 15, we're gonna drop and do another 10 to 15. So you're not so confused, we're gonna go through these so you see exactly how to structure this. All right, again, feet elevated. These are actually incline push-ups. I like to say feet elevated because it gives you more of an actual visual. Feet elevated, and we're gonna shoot for 10 to 15 here. Keep your core tight, and let's get started. About halfway there. Let's go 3 more. All right, once you've done your 10 to 15 here, you're gonna rest about 45 seconds to 60 seconds, depending on your current fitness and conditioning level. If you can do another set after 45 seconds, let's get right back to it, okay? But here's what we're gonna do next. You're gonna do your second set, rest another 45 to 60 seconds, and then you're gonna go straight into your third set. This is designed to really target that upper chest, okay? Once you've done those 3, then you're gonna get into your standard push-ups, but these are drop push-ups, meaning we're going to do, let me show you 10 here. Again, just standard, keeping your core tight. 8, 9, 10, again, shoot for 10 to 15. Then you're gonna drop to your knees, and you're gonna do another 10 to 15. You should definitely feel these burning on the drop set. I think that's 9 and 10. So once you've done those, you're gonna rest 45 to 60 seconds. Again, you're gonna do it a second time, all right? Just like that, a second drop. Start with the standard, then finish off with the knee version. Guess what? 45 seconds to 60 seconds rest. Then you're gonna do it a third time. So that's gonna be 6 total sets. 3 with the feet elevated or the incline push-ups, 3 drop sets. Now the fun thing is you're going to finish off 1 static hold, all right? You're gonna be in a standard push-up position, but you want your arms to be about 90 degrees, okay? 90 degrees. You're gonna hold that position for max time as long as you can. Show you what this is gonna look like. Again, you're starting standard position right here in the max, the 90-degree stretch, and you're gonna hold it for max time. And your main focus here is keeping your body straight, keeping your core tight, spine and neck neutral. Don't allow your hips to sag, and then you'll notice the struggle right here. You're gonna start really shaking, and that's when you really need to push yourself and challenge yourself, because this is gonna get, I'm starting to shake right now. So you're going to go ahead and breathe. Don't hold your breath, breathe. Really focus on keeping this neutral position here. All right, if I can get myself back up. Once you've done those, you will notice your chest is gonna be full of blood, it's gonna be pumped, it's gonna be on fire. That's a huge thing because the more blood you get into your chest, more lactic acid that is getting into your chest. Lactic acid actually pulls in growth hormone. That's key for muscle growth. So guys, this isn't a hard workout, it's not a long workout, but you're gonna notice a lot of intensity. Nothing but body weight, but if you do it this way, the way we've got it structured, you're gonna get great results. You can also plug this into the end of one of your other workouts if you're working out at a gym. If you wanna do this in conjunction with another gym workout, you can also do that. Get great results if you do this as a finisher. But at the end of the day, guys, if you have any questions about any of these exercises, comment below, let me know. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, that way I know to film more like it, because I'm trying to give you guys some body weight only stuff that you can do at home, hotel room, if you travel, at a park, you can do this pretty much anywhere. But guys, other than that, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.